Welcome to our cloud-based WhatsApp API panel, a powerful and intelligent platform designed to help you send, manage, and automate WhatsApp messages on a large scale. In this video, we'll take you through every feature of the panel step by step, so you can use it confidently and effectively. Let's begin. To get started, open our official website and click on Create an Account. Fill in your details and complete the registration process. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once you log in, you'll reach the WhatsApp instance dashboard, the central place where you can manage your messaging, contacts, and chatbot activities. On the instance page, you can add a new instance and scan the QR code from your WhatsApp number. Once the scan is complete, you'll find your master key. This is your unique access key for secure communication through the API. Inside the settings, you can manage your instance preferences. If you ever want to change your connected number, you can do that up to twice a day. You can also assign a custom name to your instance for easy identification and set how many messages you'd like to send per minute or per interval. If you want to receive incoming messages in your inbox, you can enable the receiving option. If not, simply keep it disabled. You can also configure your webhook endpoint. This allows you to automatically store customer replies or events from your API messages. And finally, here you'll find your API key, which you'll use for sending messages programmatically through the developer API. Now, let's look at the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a complete overview of your account activity. You can see how many WhatsApp instances are connected, how many user agents are active, and how many contacts are blacklisted. You'll also find visual charts that show your outgoing, sent, and received message statistics. From here, you can manage your inbox, view all incoming messages, and change their status to resolved, pending, or snoozed. You can also assign chats to your agents and monitor all communication in one place. In the User Agent section, you can manage your team. The master admin has full access, but you can also create new admins or user agents under your account and give them specific permissions according to their roles. This helps maintain security and control while allowing your team to collaborate efficiently. Our panel supports multiple communication channels. Apart from WhatsApp, you can also connect Telegram, email, and web chat. All of these channels can be managed from the same dashboard, giving you complete flexibility for customer engagement. If you frequently send the same messages, you can use our Gantt response feature. It lets you create shortcodes for quick replies. Simply type a / followed by your shortcode in the chat box, and your predefined message will be sent automatically. This feature saves time and ensures a consistent communication tone with your customers. You can also manage your blacklist easily. Whenever you block a contact or mark a number as inactive, it will appear in the blacklist section. Blocked numbers won't receive messages from your campaigns, keeping your outreach clean and compliant. Now, let's move to one of the most important parts: sending messages. There are two ways to send messages: compose message and customized message. In compose message, select your instance number and enter a campaign name. Add recipients manually, paste multiple numbers, or choose from your WhatsApp groups. Make sure to include the correct country code before each number. Then select the type of message you want to send. It can be text, image, video, audio, document, button, or template message. You can also schedule your messages by selecting a specific date and time, and even set expiry conditions if required. If you want to send a quick message immediately, you can use the quick send option, perfect for urgent communication with up to 10 contacts at a time. The customized message option is ideal for personalized marketing. First, create a contact group and add your recipients. Then, select that group while composing your message. You can insert dynamic variables such as the customer's name or any custom field, making each message unique and personal. If you already have your contact list in Excel, you can simply upload it and send customized messages directly. Next, let's explore reports. The Outbox section displays all pending and scheduled messages. Once the messages are sent, they appear in the Sent Messages section, where you can view detailed campaign-wise and instance-wise reports. Older data is stored in the Archived Messages section, which keeps records from the past 6 months. And all received messages are available in the Received Messages section for easy review. The Chatbot section allows you to automate conversations with your customers. You can create a new chatbot from scratch or use one of our ready-made templates. Chatbots are created using nodes. Simply connect a start node, intermediate nodes, and an end node to build a complete flow. Once your flow is ready, assign a keyword that will trigger your chatbot whenever a customer sends that word. All chatbot interactions are recorded in the chatbot reports, and any issues or errors can be reviewed in the chatbot exception log. This feature allows you to automate responses and provide 24/7 customer support without manual effort. Now, let's talk about contact and group management. From the Contacts section, you can create new groups and add contacts manually or through an upload file. You can also assign tags to your contacts to categorize them based on type, interest, or campaign. Segments allow you to filter your contact lists for specific targeted campaigns, and you can add additional data columns to store information such as city, department, or customer type. If you ever need to block a number manually, simply add it to your blacklist using the correct country code, and it will appear in your blocked list. In the Template section, you can create message templates for content that you use frequently. Just enter a template name, write your message content, and save it. Templates make your campaigns faster, more consistent, and easy to reuse. Finally, in the Integration section, you'll find a Developer API. If you want to send messages directly through your own systems or applications, you can do so using the API by passing the given parameters. In addition to the API, we also provide ready-to-use plugins for popular business platforms such as Tally, Shopify, and WooCommerce. With these integrations, you can connect your WhatsApp directly with your accounting or e-commerce systems, allowing you to send instant notifications, order updates, payment reminders, and customer messages automatically. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of our WhatsApp Cloud API panel. Start automating your communication today and take your business messaging to a global level.